Aggrieved residents blocked stretch Imphal-Yairipok road and protested against the dilapidated road condition, demanding the resumption of road repair work along this road. Speaking on the sidelines, convener of Old Kongba United Club Organization, Lenin Hirom said the band will intensify if government and relevant authority fail to fulfill their demand. He added that the road construction was started after locals made several requests, but the repair work was abandoned midway, exposing commuters to risk of accidents. Old Kongba United Club Organization decided to shut down the road immediately in order to prevent any untoward incidents as the condition of the road becomes pathetic with each passing day. Lenin further warned the government of intensifying the agitation if the road reconstruction work did not resume immediately. The ban was relaxed for essential services, health services, emergency, school and media.
Umba bazadagi na koi kerau salim bogje tangai phadana chatpa yaraktaba misi mina aso pan accident holopodagi sembiu haijabadagi yadana koi sembiraga kai umba maram amata pidana akoi thabak si lepthokre aduga huji lambi sida motorable oidaba mi manga tara accident thoktana pukhanna ba sum to bose masi lambi si semdri bobo tingjan lage hana akoi warning tore matam pire adu bogdo semak tabandina hoje koi lambi thingbugi khongjeng chengjale maramdi lambi sida chalaga thawa maman yamba koi thawai sibadu dagi di lambi thingba sine hena phayena khalga koi lambi thingbugi khongjeng chengjan jabani loinana akoi ngasi khongjeng changjali basida lambi thingbugi khongjeng changjali ngasida mari leinaba department na thubada koi lambi semba ga doba hubirakta taraga di koi masi khata nataba mai sing yauna punamak thingjallaga koi henna akan ba khongjeng jing makha tana changjalakani haidba khongjeng jing changjandri ngaida mai leinaba department na thubada koi lambi je semba hobiu waina koi press media gi kuthangda Manipur government da appeal tawjil